Hi, I'm Kevin Walker, and some of you will recognise me from the previous street photography workshops that we've done with Campkins. And I'm really pleased to announce that we've got some new dates and some new locations that are coming up in the not too distant future. We're going to get really in depth on this one. We've already covered off things like composition, angles, and how to get the best from the photos and the location you're in. Well, now we're going to get really in depth with camera settings, the best way to set up your camera, and we're going to have some breakout sessions where we sit down and actually go through what you're going to do on your camera, the best way to get the most from it, and also how to get the very best shots in the shortest amount of times. On top of that, yet again, we'll be bringing some special offers for you, the people that attend the course, and we'll also be able to do some printing for you as well. I really do hope that many of you can meet, and we always get together, have a great time, and I look forward to another sellout tour of street photography around the local area. And don't forget, street photography isn't just about street photography, it's about making exceptional photos when you're going out, when you're going on holiday, or you're going out for a day trip, to really capture the moment and understand where to go and what to shoot. On top of that, we can also go through things like how to get the very best when you're out with your family, and we're getting those street portraits done as well. So I look forward to seeing you all soon. Take care, bye bye.